All right, you guys, I think we're doing pretty good. Multiplying fractions is a heck of a lot easier than adding and subtracting. And what you're going to find out today is that by the end of the class, you should be able to find a reciprocal. And then you should be able to divide fractions by multiplying by a reciprocal. Okay, this is review again. And we have to know that when it's dividing fractions, the rule states that you are going to multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So do not touch the first fraction. Just do the reciprocal of the second. Reciprocal is also referred to as the multiplicative inverse, which means you're just flipping the fraction. Okay, so make sure that you flip them. For mixed numbers, though, you need to make them improper and then flip them. So let's practice. The number 3. Notice 3 is not written as a fraction, but it is a fraction. All whole numbers can be written as fractions. It's really 3 over 1. Okay? So the reciprocal of 3 over 1, we just flip it around. It would be 1/3. Okay? The reciprocal for 5 6, well, just flip it around. 6/5. Notice 2 and 4/5 is a mixed number. We're going to get mad first. Okay? 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So we have 14 over 5. Now we can find the reciprocal, which is 5 over 14. Okay? So again, the directions are going to say divide and write in simplest form, which you know by now means to reduce. And we're going to do a lot of dividing fractions when we're finding unit rate. So don't forget, unit rate means to divide. Look at number 1, 6/7 divided by 1/7. This is a division problem, and we cannot divide fractions. So we're going to bring the first fraction down. We're going to write 6/7. Change division to multiplication and do the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is 7 over 1. Now we're back to what we were doing the other day. Remember, cancel if you can. I see that there's a 7 in the numerator and a 7 in the denominator. I'm going to divide them each by 7, and that's 1 and 1. Now multiply straight across. 6 times 1 is 6. Over 1 times 1 is 1. 6 over 1 is the same as 6. Look at number 2. We're going to keep the first fraction. We're going to make it, oh, look it should be 8 over 1. Oops, that's a 1. So we're going to rewrite this as 8 over 1. This is division. We're going to change it to multiply. Do the reciprocal of 1/3, which is 3 over 1. Okay, nothing cancels. So we're going to go straight across the top. 24 over 1, which is 24. Okay? Now notice number 3, the first number is a mixed number. We've got to get mad. So there's 24 plus 1 is 25 over 3. I want you guys to write this step down. You're going to get so excited, but you have to write the second step down. That's 5 over 1. Now we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Bring that one down, 25 over 3. Change to multiply. Find the reciprocal, which is 1/5. See if I can cancel. Well, notice 25 and 5 both share 5. So 5 divided by 5 is 1. 25 divided by 5 is 5. Multiply straight across, and I get 5 over 3. That's improper, so I'm going to make that 1. So it goes in there one time with 2 left over. And there's my answer. Look at number 4. It's the same type of problem. Okay, it's division, but we got a mixed number in here. So we're going to write 3/4 divided by, do not forget that step, Get mad. Okay, 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11 over 2. Okay, now we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. Bring that one down, 3/4. Change this to multiply, 2 over 11. Flip it, right? Reciprocal. I see a 2 in both of these. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Now we can go straight across. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times 11 is 22. And that is a really, really small fraction. Okay? Let's look at number 5. It is another division problem. Okay, notice that this is just a regular fraction, so we're going to write 3/8. This is mixed, so we're going to make it improper. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 1 is 25 over 4. Can't divide fractions, so we're going to drop this one down, 3/8. We're going to multiply by, the reciprocal would be 4 over 25. Look to see if anything cancels. Well, nothing goes into both 3 and 25, right? But 4 and 8, they are both divisible by 4. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 8 divided by 4 is 2. Go straight across. 3 times 1 is 3. Over 2 times 25 is 50. That's a super, super small fraction. It's real close to 0. I also want to say to you that, tell you something about myself. My favorite season is summer because I like to be warm and I like to be outside. So make sure you write that in your notes. Look at number 6. They're both mixed numbers, so we've got to get mad on both of these. So the first thing we're going to do is get mad. 9 times 3 is 27, plus 4 is 31 over 9. Bring down your division sign. Get mad again. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7 over 3. Okay, now it's division. We can't do division, so I'm going to change this one to, or keep this one the same, 31 over 9. Make it multiplication. The reciprocal of 7/3 is 3/7. Okay? Now notice 31 and 7 don't share a common factor, but 3 and 9 do. They both have a 3 in it. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So I'm going to go straight across. I get 31 over 21, and that is more than 1. So when I take 31 divided by 21, goes in there one time with 10 left over. So it's 1 and 10 21st. So this one is equal to 1 and 10 over 21. Okay? I want you to do number 7 and bring this one back in your notes. Okay? Have a great day.